In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a clock widget in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add this type of clock widget on your desktop, at the beginning you need to click on the Windows key and search for Microsoft Store and click on it. Once you open Microsoft Store, then click on the search bar and search for clock widget. Then find Widget Launcher and click on it. Once you find Widget Launcher, then you will see Get button on this area and click on this Get button. Once you click on the Get button, then Widget Launcher will be downloaded and installed on your computer. Once the launch process is complete, then click on Open button. Then this Widget Launcher will be appear. Now you find clock and choose your clock color. Once you set up your clock color and your clock skin, then click on Launch Widget. Then clock widget will be added on Windows 11 computer. You can also change the color of this clock. To change it, you hover mouse on it and click on this theme icon. Now choose your color and click on the apply button. By following this tutorial, you can easily add a clock widget in Windows 11 computer.